All right, guys. So I've got a good fractal for you here. Now they're pretty similar. Definitely similarities in them. Now on the left is Bitcoin. On the right is Link. Okay, so you can see clear as day, right? We had this sort of flat base structure. I'm not putting the wicks on it just for now, but you can also see that we have this flat base structure. Okay, very similar. And we also had the sort of triangular pattern, okay, whatever way you want to draw that. We also in Bitcoin have this sort of triangular pattern, okay, very similar. Now, also very important to note, you can see we're above the monthly, the yellow 9 EMA, above the yellow 9 EMA. Now, what happened when we broke out? Now, being above, forming a bullish structure above all moving averages is generally considered very bullish. Okay, so what happened afterwards? Well, we broke out, and we broke out pretty hard. This consolidation base was only the start of the bull run. That was the start before the bull run, and you can see what happened on a monthly basis. We absolutely exploded to the upside. Bitcoin could do the same.